Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. So today is your English class, okay? English grammar, and we are learn today vowels and consonants, okay? Vowels and consonants. In last video you are learn it alphabets A to Z, okay? And how many alphabets is 26 letters in English alphabet, okay? So now start and understand this vowel and consonants, okay? Let's start. Yes student, these are English alphabet, small letters alphabet. So choose the vowels and read again. Start A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, how many letters are there? 26 letters, okay? And choose the vowels. The alphabet has 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. And next circle. A, E, I, O and U. Repeat again. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. 5 vowels. Okay. You will notice these vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, and other letters are consonants. Other letters means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are consonants. So how many consonants? 21 consonants. Okay, 21 consonants letters in alphabet. Okay, yes, understand this vowels and consonants. Vowels is 5 vowels in alphabets and 21 letters consonants. Okay, and use vowel. Okay. Yes, look at here. A, E, I, O, U. So use vowels in words. Okay, use vowels in words. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. So look at this. M-A-N, man. H-A-N, H-A-T, hat. C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. Okay. M-A-N, man. H-A-T, hat. C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. You will notice there in middle letters is which? Vowels. Yes. Notice there middle letters is vowel. M-A. A. Okay. A. Vowels. Okay. H-A-T. H-A-T. Use there A. A letters is vowels. C-A-T. Cat. A. M-A-T. mat. R-A-T. rat. And use middle letters is A. A. Next is E. Students, you are read this sound word in UKG class and prep class also. Okay. E. P-E-N, pan. H-E-N, hen. N-E-T, net. W-E-T, rat. Okay. L-E-Z, leg. Okay. So notice there in middle letters vowels. P-E-N, E. E letters is vowel E. H-E-N-E. E letters is vowel E. And we are called this A sound word, E sound word. Understand this? Next is I. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. V-I-N, win. R-I-N, rin. L-I-D, lid. So notice there I sound word and use in middle letters is I. P-I-N, P and N in between letters is I. I sound word and I vowels. T-I, V-I, R-I and L-I. Okay, lid. Pin, tin, win, rin, lid. Okay, and you are called this I sound word. And next O sound word. And use vowel letters O. Got, hot, rod, fox. Okay. G-O-T, got. G and T in between letters is vowels O letter. C-O-T, cot. C and T in middle letters is O vowels. Okay. H-O-T, hot. R-O-D, rod. F-O-X, fox. Means A sound word, E sound word, I sound word, O sound word and Q sound word. Okay, let's see. R-U-B, rug. C-U-B, cup. G-U-N, gun. T-U-B, tub. S-U-N, sun. So identify their U vowels is R-U-B, rub. C-U-B, cub. G-U-N, gun. T-U-B, tub. S-U-N, sun. Okay, U sound words, and these are underlines. A, E, I, O, U. These are sound words and underline this letter is vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so sound words is used in vowels. Okay, and understand vowels and consonants. Other letters are consonants. Okay. Yes, look. Yes, identify this picture. Flowers, rose. Okay, so this is R. R word is vowel consonants. Yes, understand this. V for vowel and C for consonants. So this is R. Other letters, na? So consonants. These consonants. So mention there C. Okay, and egg. Egg. This is egg. E. E letter is vowels. So put their letters V. Vowels. Okay, and these eyes. Okay, eyes. So this letter vowel consonants. Yes, identity E. E letter is vowel. So right there vowels. Okay, and this is, yes, identity pictures. Pencil. Good. Pencil is physics. Letters, vowels and consonants. Identity, use their V and use their C. Yes, which letters put there? Yes, this is consonants letter, so put there C. P. P vowels, no have there na vowels. P, A, E, I, O, U. Only 5 letters vowel and P letters is no have there. So P letters is consonants. Okay, students, understand this? So today we are learning vowels and consonant. Understand in your books. Okay, and watch these sound words and identify in between letters A, E, I, O, U, and read sound words in previous class and UKG and prep class also. Okay, and have there many sound words, so read and learn these words, and I think identity you vowels and consonants. So one time repeat again, how many vowels? 5 vowels. Okay, the alphabet has in 5 letters in vowel and consonants is 21 letters is consonants in English alphabet. Okay, students, understand this vowels and consonants. Okay, thank you.